Well, how you doing today? I'm hanging out at the house because today is Pico y Placa, and here in Medellin Valley, that means that certain cars can't drive on this particular day, and today happens to be the day that we can't drive. So while there's all kinds of nice public transportation and very inexpensive taxis and stuff, we usually try to take today and just hang out at the condo and just goof around. Anyway, so I tried to do a voiceover on a video that I did I don't know, a few weeks, a month ago, and I wasn't really happy with how the voice came out. It probably sounds a lot like what this sounds like right now, because that's what I'm doing again. And so I figured, well, I'm recording this on the laptop microphone, and I thought probably not the greatest idea. And since I'm trying to do everything here on a super inexpensive budget, non-existent budget, pretty much, I decided I would take a look at TEMU, and see what they had. And it's arrived this morning, and that's it. It's got a little stand, a microphone, and I don't know, one of those things that blocks you from the noise from going into the microphone. And it was relatively inexpensive, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I've never done an unboxing video before, so I thought I'd try it. I'm not going to set it up on a table. I'll just take the things out of the box and show you what's in there. So we have this, which I think looks to me like a tripod of some sort. Yeah, I would say that's what that is. And we have, this is the microphone, I guess, right here. I don't know if it comes in clear. Adjust this light or something, I don't know. Not coming in very clear. There you go. And I'm not sure why my videos are backwards, but left is right and right is left. So this is a USB connection and plugs into the side of the laptop. And now we've got this. There's a few papers and things like that in there. There you go. A little bit. Maybe I should shut this light off completely. How's that? Is that any better? Not really. Put it back on. So, this is the instructions. There's a whole bunch of fine print there on the back of all kinds of stuff. This looks interesting. This is the instructions. Now, I don't know if you can read this or not. But that looks magnified to me. And I got pretty good eyes. But I'll tell you what, I can't read that at all. So I have one of these. This actually belonged to my grandfather. I should show you this quickly. This is the coolest little thing. This is brass. You unscrew this, and there's a little screwdriver in there. You unscrew that, and there's another little screwdriver, smaller screwdriver in there. And then if you unscrew this, there's a teeny tiny little screwdriver in there. Isn't that cool? I've had this since I was a kid. My grandfather gave it to me. Shows how old I am. Anyway, it's fun. It's fun. I keep it around on the desk. And it comes in handy a lot. Anyway, And right now it's going to come in handy so I can look at these instructions. Boy, I'll tell you, this is the gizmo that keeps you from spitting on the microphone, I guess. And looks like maybe this is where the tripod goes. Did that go? Yeah. Screw that in there. Cross thread it because it's only plastic. Okay. Now the microphone is supposed to fit down in the top of this, but this looks like it's got some kind of rubber band type things on here. So let's see if we can put this down through there. Go. Go. All right. Now omnidirectional. So I guess it doesn't matter. So I guess it fits down in there, something like that. That's not too bad. Kind of an anti-vibration type thing. And they show this thing curving around the side and kind of coming out in front of this like that. I guess something about like that, yes. I'm just going to plug this into the laptop here and see if it will just automatically switch over and oh, look at that. If you can see this. Shut this off again, maybe just. It's got a light that's changing colors. The microphone itself is lit up. That's weird. Let me shut this off. You know, you see a little better that way. I'm not sure why. It's going to be red. Look at that. That's weird. I don't know why I need a lit up microphone, but anyway, I have one. Now the question is, has my voice changed at all? Do you hear any difference? I won't know till I listen to this. So I might try to see if I can get this to reduce. Maybe I can go down to the and maybe you hear a difference. I kind of think I do, but I'm not really sure. Anyway, that's it. That's what you get. TEMU, I think it was about 59. This thing tightens up here too. You can angle that a little different if you want. I bought this for, I want to say, about $15, somewhere like that. So, hey, I also joined Buy Me a Coffee. And I noticed that Buy Me a Coffee, you can have it, buy you a pizza or buy you a book. I've got plenty of books, so I don't need a book. But if you'd like to support the channel a little bit, you can do 3 things. Number 1, subscribe, please. We desperately need subscribers. Number 2, click the like button, the little thumbs up thing. Click that. And the third thing, you can buy me a coffee. We've been doing little shorts, going out for coffee in the morning, my wife and I, and it would be kind of fun. Funny, I could tell. I'll tell people who bought me the coffee that day. So it might be kind of fun. So if you're watching this and you're enjoying things, we're going to put a lot more stuff on Medellin. There's some Christmas light stuff coming up. We're going to go down and see the lights downtown Medellin on the river. It's a spectacular, spectacular display, and I think you might like it. Anyway, hey, hope you're having a great day, Yanana, and we'll talk to you soon.